What's up, you guys? I have seen a lot of searches about how to delete your Instagram account from your iPhone in 2020. So I decided to do a tutorial to help you guys out. Now, there's a lot of reasons why people want to delete their Instagram account. I don't know why. I think it's cool, but some people just aren't social media. So if you're not social media and you want to delete your Instagram account, this is what you do. You want to go to your profile. On the bottom right, where you see the itty bitty picture of yourself, you want to make sure that you select your picture, so that this main screen comes up. Okay, then you want to tap on the top 3 lines on the right hand side. You then want to go into settings. You then want to go into account. Account is right above the help button. I lied. You want to go into help. So go into the help button. Once you go to the help button, go to your help center. Once you're in your help center, it's going to take you somewhere outside of the app, which you can do it on your desktop as well. You can go to help.instagram.com, or it can lead you here. Once you are here, you want to select on managing your account. Once you hit managing your account, you see it right there. Boom, delete your account. So click on delete your account. How do I delete my Instagram account is the second sentence. So click that down arrow and it's going to say you can temporarily disable your account. It teaches you how to log on. Select. Read through this crap, okay? Read through it all. Now, where it says delete account, it'll tell you to go to the delete account page for your mobile browser or your computer, yada yada. But you should be able to click on it. So click on delete your account. It's going to take you to another page. It's going to say, hey, native unicorn. Native queen. Native unicorn is my clothing brand. But anyway, it's going to say delete your account. Do you want to keep your data safe? And why are you deleting your account? Okay, so you're going to select why you're deleting your account. You're going to hit done, and it's going to continue to take you through the process. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to delete my account. Now, if you don't want to delete your account, if you delete your account, all your shit is gone. Okay, let's just be real. The crap is going to be gone. All your stuff is gone. So I suggest, if this is just a mood that you're going through right now, just do temporary disable your account and then bring it back whenever you want to. But once it's gone, it's gone. All right. So this is a tutorial on how you can delete your Instagram account from the iPhone. I am on my iPhone. Hope this helps. And if it has, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can get more awesome tips like this. Bye.